everybody. It's Rick Claus here at Microsoft Ignite, and I am walking around trying to find some interesting customers to have conversations with, and I came across Sergio. How you doing, my friend?
I'm good, Rick. How are you
Nice to
doing?
see you. Nice to see you. Would you mind giving us a little bit of an introduction of who you are, who you work for
Yeah,
at
sure.
this point in time?
Sure. So I'm Sergio. I'm co-founder and CTO at Blip. Blip is a company that helps companies to create meaningful connection with their consumers,
Okay.
especially through conversational interfaces like messaging platforms as WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook Messenger, and
Okay.
we are a Microsoft partner as well.
Okay. And so what brings you here to Microsoft Ignite? We have a lot of announcements that came out inside the Microsoft keynote. I understand that there's obviously some sessions that you're interested in as well, but
Yeah.
share a little bit about your story, your journey with Blip and what you've been doing and bringing this conversational AI and conversational bots to life.
Sure. So we have an interesting story. We are a 25 years old startup.
25-year-old startup.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we've started with SMS and
Yeah.
supporting companies to create these conversations with customers through SMS.
Yeah.
And 10 years ago, we foresee that messaging platforms will become not just channels, but platforms for businesses.
Okay.
So now we are supporting companies to create marketing campaigns, sales process, and customer care through automation and through human beings as well.
Okay.
And we are applying AI to automate those conversations and also to empower the agents so they can become more efficient and deliver better experience for their end customers.
Okay. So for someone that's not totally familiar with this technology, I'm assuming you're going well beyond your standard. Here's our sample demo that we do at Microsoft, and a lot of technology companies are a sample demo of here's a chatbot that you can do. You're taking this to the next level and building it into a solution for your customers.
Yeah, I used to say that the challenge is not about creating a chatbot. Creating a chatbot will become so easy that
Right.
any one of us could create their own digital twin.
Yep.
The problem is once every employee can create their own digital twin, how
Mhm.
can we orchestrate, manage this environment so we can deliver a seamless customer experience? So
Yeah.
it doesn't matter if this person is having a conversation with you or with me. We are talking about the brand. We are talking as the brand.
Yeah.
So we should deliver a seamless experience for them.
Right.
So we are applying AI not just to automate, but especially to understand the customer behavior on those experiences,
Mhm.
try to get so actionable insights that can drive a continuously evolving process of
Okay.
these chatbots, or even for the agents that are empowered by AI as well.
Got it. And can you go a little bit into detail, just out of curiosity, how you bring in the multimodal aspect of things? How does that differentiate from just again just a generic start of an interface for a chatbot?
Yeah, that's a great question. Most of the time when we talk about conversational interface, people used to think just about text.
Right.
But not just related to the technology itself, but also to the user interface. We had a lot of other media that we can use. So we nowadays leverage buttons, we leverage images,
Okay.
audio, and videos. So it's more a touchable interface, not just about texting. And now we also are leveraging voice, real-time voice. So
Okay.
we used to say that we need to apply the best resource we have to deliver what the customer needs. So,
Okay. And what sort of Microsoft solutions are part of your stack that you're using now? Just out of
so
curiosity.
our full stack is
Okay.
from Microsoft. So we've been partnering with Microsoft since the early days.
Yeah. Yeah.
Our full tech stack from the database to the programming language, all is running on Microsoft. But I can say that the most important part of our solution nowadays is related to database.
Yeah.
So
Right.
we process like billions of transactions every single day,
Mhm.
and we need to take care about not just storing those records, but also assure the privacy and the
Right.
security of it.
Right.
So it's a big issue.
Very, very neat. Now, I'm curious, during your process of evolution to where you are right now, what are some of the challenges that you came up against, maybe using some of our solutions, that you could give some advice to someone watching this that they could avoid having a similar problems themselves?
Yeah. So we believe that the data is not just part of our product, but it's also part of the empowerment that we give to our product teams as well. So
Okay.
a foundational layer that we have is a data stream. So every single information that we capture from those conversations, from those behaviors, they are instantly available for the product team so they can innovate faster.
Yeah.
So one thing that I would like to recommend is think about your team topology related to the product you're building and try to unlock anything that can prevent you to move faster. So, and start from the database layer because this is the core for every kind of app nowadays.
Awesome. Now, I know we're here at Microsoft tonight. We're here in person. Are there any sessions that you'd recommend that you'd personally want to go off and see or take a look at or recommend for our viewers to watch on demand?
Sure, I'll be part of a panel.
Okay.
So we've just raised our Series C this week.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you. I'm proud to say that Microsoft is part of it. So
Okay.
we are Microsoft. And as far as I know, it's the first investment that Microsoft does in Latin America. So
Okay.
it's really an achievement for us. So I'll be part of a panel, Unleashed Unicorns. We will talk about how partnering with Microsoft support us on our growth. This is one. And I think I'll be looking for any panel that will be discussing scaling data. So
Okay.
this is a big issue for us right now.
Very awesome. Well, hey, thank you so much for
Thank
taking
you,
the
Rick.
time to talk with me today. I really appreciate it.
Great.
And thank you for joining us here at Microsoft tonight. And we'll see you next time.